Hey everyone, and welcome back. To see how I transformed this tap, which is filled with Limescale, by only using one thing, which is a lemon. Yes, only one lemon, and I can transform the tap to look almost brand new, looking like this. So join me today if you're interested to see where else I use a lemon to clean around the house. If you are interested, you can either clean along with me or you can just watch and then get motivated, and then you can clean afterwards. So if this is your type of thing, join me today. So we're going to be starting with a lemon in the kitchen. So some people tend to just use citric acid. You can purchase citric acid or you can just use a lemon. I tend to use it to prevent limescale buildup on taps, and it also gives the like the tap or the sink so much shine. So I tend to do this whenever I can or whenever I can remember. So I'm now going to rinse all the citric acid, because basically sometimes a lemon can eat into the metal, so you don't want to leave it on for too long. So I'm just going to rinse with water. So this is a non-toxic way to clean your sink. If you don't like to use too many products, this is the best way to do it. Or you can always get citric acid from the shop, or just a lemon is perfect. You can already see the shine on the sink, which is why I love it, and it smells amazing. So now on to the next part, which is cleaning chopping boards and wooden spoons. Lemon is perfect. And you would need bicarbonate soda as well. So if you've got certain areas of like your chopping board, wooden chopping board, your cheese board or whatever, this is also a perfect way to eliminate odors or to remove any excess discoloration or anything that you feel like needs cleaning. A lemon and bicarb soda are perfect. Thank you. Once you're happy with everything, you can rinse it off, and you can just basically just use plain water. But I tend to prefer using washing up liquid. So I'm gonna grab my Dishmatic and just lather the soap, and basically whatever excess oils or anything that was left on there, it just comes out. Do the same thing as well for things like wooden spoons. So if you're not new to my channel, there's a part where I show you how I clean my wooden spoons. I now use bicarb soda and lemon, and then I just rinse it as well with washing up liquid, sorry. So best combination to clean your wooden utensils. So So we're now going to dive into the bathroom. So if your tap looks like this and it's got a lot of build-up Limescale on the taps, like this one over here, what you could do is, again, grab a lemon or white vinegar, but I'm going to show you with the lemon. So I'm just going to squeeze the lemon everywhere around the tap, and then you could leave it for a few more minutes, or you could use white vinegar after you've rinsed this, but I just left it for a few more minutes with the lemon, and then I rinsed it off, and you can see the Limescale has officially come off a bit. So you can repeat the process as many times as you want. I'm now gonna show you how I use a lemon to basically clean the microwave. So I am going to put a little bit of water into this jug, and then I'm going to put the lemon, the sliced lemon, into the jug, and so if you want a full tutorial on this, you can watch my previous video that I posted on Tuesday. That's also got a full review, so if you're interested in that, you can check that out. But yeah, so if you've got any lingering orders in your microwave, this is also the best method to get rid of those, and any burnt on food inside the microwave, this is also another great way to get rid of that. So that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned how to use lemons to clean. I'm sure there's plenty more ways you can use lemons to clean. I will do my best to get that for you. So if you're into non-toxic cleaning, I will do my best to get those videos out for you. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Please give this video a thumbs up and consider share with your friends if you think they would like this video too. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you on the next video, which will be on Tuesday. Until then, bye.